How to get sound on Reddit app. If you're having sound problem on Reddit, follow these steps. Firstly, open Reddit and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now on my homepage, I'm gonna click on this video. After opening on a full screen, at the bottom right corner, you should see the GIF icon. Now this video is just a GIF, so it will have no sound. Let's try out on a different video. On this video, however, you will see the sound icon. If you click on the sound icon, then the sound will turn on and off. You can do this for all the videos that have sound. Additionally, you can even check your system sound. Press the volume button on the side of your phone. Now you can adjust your sounds manually. Also, roll down your notification bar from the top. Make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Click on the sound option to make it outdoor. That's all for today. Thank you.